Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and press the bell. If you are a returning supporter, love you. First, I want to say a huge thank you for the super exciting partnership I have with COVERGIRL. This is a get ready with me for my first girls night out ever since I had the baby. I'm gonna be talking to people and grown-ups. No one's gonna puke on me, hopefully. I mean, depends where the night goes. I feel feminine and strong and confident, and it might be the coffee talking, but we're just gonna roll with it and create a little bolder look than usual. I'm super excited to introduce to you for the first time ever the new COVERGIRL Exhibitionist mascara. For this look, this is gonna be the main player here, okay? I want to make sure that I have that happening for me, and this is what's gonna bring that. We're gonna start with the TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. I also wanted to mention, in case you didn't know, there's a really exciting move that COVERGIRL just made, and it's certifying all their products cruelty-free. I'm so proud of such a big brand taking all the necessary steps to make it happen. So good for you, COVERGIRL. Okay, that's done. To the concealer, it's called It's Lit, because my night's gonna be lit tonight. And by lit, I just mean there's not gonna be any children, so. Please make sure you're taking your foundation to the neck. We don't want any harsh lines. This is a favorite of mine. For someone that does the kind of feathering technique, this is magic. There was a time when I used to bleach my eyebrows. Can someone tell me why that ever happened? I do not know. We're gonna move on to sculpting the face. I'm actually using the TruBlend Serving Sculpt palette, and I'll be using the contour. I wanna make sure we're bringing some shape into this face. Because I don't want to bother with an eyeshadow, and I'm really gonna focus on my eyes, but just, you know, using the eyeliner and the Exhibitionist, I'm gonna use a little bit of the contour, but very lightly, just to also contour my eye crease. I love doing that just to create a little more depth and like make it look like I put a little more work and thought into the eyeshadow. We are gonna move to the eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the liquid eyeliner from COVERGIRL. Because I have asymmetrical eyes, I have to figure out how to balance it. I'm done with the eyeliner. Now let's make magic happen. I'm gonna take this COVERGIRL, the new mascara, the Exhibitionist. The whole magic about it is that it has this wire brush that gives you this crazy volume and dramatic length. Also, it's smudge proof, clump proof, and flake proof. And Valeria approved. I really need to get out there, you guys. Yes. What? Now let's just clean this up, because I do this all the time. Okay, Exhibitionist. Now that we're done with the liner and the mascara, I'm gonna build a little depth under here to make it kind of smoky. So I'm gonna actually use my brow pencil to bring just a little shade in here, but nothing too crazy. The mascara is really bringing the attention on the lashes, which is what we want. Some blush. And then I'm gonna do some highlighting. I'm gonna do the pink one. Yes. And put it right here. I need a mascara this strong to make sure that you can't see that I'm falling asleep. It's gonna keep everything up. I'm gonna be using the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist lip liner in TheNude. That's the name of it. In TheNude. And then this color that is called Cream. Let's figure out what this hair is all about. This is what I call the busy girl / lazy girl waves. You really focus on only the visible ones. You don't even separate them properly. Look at this, look at this. Yay, we did it! I'm ready to take over the city until 10 p.m. And we're just gonna finish it all up with a little bit of powder to make sure it all stays. I hope you followed along with this quick and easy look that makes me feel powerful and confident and still feel like myself, which is very important. And now to the close.